Oh, hey Glenn, I'm busy dissecting a human heart here. Isn't this pretty cool? This is technology that's right now in about 250 schools around the world. And we've got Gary Murphy joining us right now. Gary is with zSpace. And Gary, how am I doing here so far?
So far, so good. I think the patient's pretty happy, and
It's still alive at least.
It's still alive at least. And so you get a little. There you go, right there. Grab that camera. You should be able to take that camera right inside.
Look at that. I'm going inside the heart now. I feel like a surgeon, and I can go around and see what's going on inside of the heart. And so kids are doing this. What other types of events are they able to participate in? I saw one where they're diving into a volcano.
Yeah, I mean there are geology applications, so you can see insides of volcanoes. You can see what happens in an earthquake. And those type of things. There's a lot of human anatomy, a lot of dissection of, the old frog dissection that a lot of people have experienced. You can do that virtually.
The formaldehyde used to make me ill.
We think that we should get a spray can of that smell that goes with this. So
I want you to get in here and show, because I'm an amateur, and I was watching you. You need the glasses.
I need my glasses back.
These are 3D glasses.
So these actually track, so these are different than the glasses you would get if you went to see like Everest right now, which I hear is spectacular in 3D, because these actually are tracked by the cameras and they respond to your head as it moves.
Wow, so this is all out of Silicon Valley.
This is all out of Silicon Valley, and this was developed, it's actually fully developed about 3 or 4 years ago, and then they decided to move to the K-12 markets. So.
Oh, look at that, you're flipping it up on its side?
Yeah, you can pick it up, you can move it around. We're getting a little bit of interference here with the studio lights that makes it a little bit of a challenge, but I can pick it up, I can turn it. The view that I see is a little different than what you would see through a monitor, so we can project this out to a smart board or to a big screen in an auditorium. Or
is this pretty expensive technology, and what's your goal as a company at zSpace for the world and schools and teaching children?
Well, I think we really feel like this is the next step in a computer interface. I mean, you go from touch screens is kind of the latest and greatest now on all of our phones and everything, and but this really, we believe, is where the world of interface is going.
And if there's an educator watching, where can they get more information?
edu.zspace.com is our website.
Okay.
You can get out there and see all of our information, a lot of our lesson plans and activity plans that are there. So a lot more information at edu.zspace.com.
Gary, he's a professional. He didn't miss a beat. Look at this. The guy's still alive. Thanks so much for coming in from zSpace and this virtual reality being used in schools around the world. We're going to take a little break. We'll be right back.